Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to Toy Review of Thursday. Myself, Gargi Shingala, admin mate from Rajkot chapter, and we are on this platform of Parent Station and Small Wonder, where on Thursday we give a review on a one toy. So today I'm here with a toy which is something to do with colors and shapes. Yes, as the name suggests, the toy name is Color Track. So the name suggests it's going to be very very colorful, and shapes, it has different shapes also. Now, if what all is included in this toy, let me give you that information first, right? So in this toy, you get, this is a booklet, and it says an IQ building fun game. So, if you are playing with this game, this toy, your IQ is getting builded. And what other in this book? There are different challenges which are included. Let me specify. Any child who is above 5 can play this game. It has different colorful tiles with it. If I show you the single one, each tile has a different color and a different shape. So I have 18 of these tiles. 18 of these different color tiles I have with me, right? And if you want to see all of them together, I can show it to you here. See, these are all 18 color shapes and tiles that we have in the box. Okay. Now, what all is included? We have seen that 5-year plus kids can play with this toy. Now, what exactly is this game? It says there are 100 challenges which starts from different level. It says easy to expert. So there are different levels of the challenges which you have to solve. With this, we also have this tray for it, where we are going to solve the puzzle. Now, if we open the first page, on the first page you have these two shapes, and the challenge level says easy and 1. So how we are supposed to play is, from all the colorful tiles that we have to look for those tiles which we can arrange in this tray, and that should look like this shape. So definitely this is not with one single shape which is made. Now see, you can see a square, right, which is orange in color. So I know that I have to use this tile which has a square and orange color. Now what other shape will help me to form this? Maybe I can take a circle. Oh, okay. Or I have a shape which is already 1/4 of that circle is not there. So 3/4 of the circle is given. Now, if I arrange that in my tray, how I am supposed to arrange that in the tray? I have to put this shape here, and if I put this, oh no, I have messed something up. So that means I have to place it another way. Let me put my square first. It's not, I need to change the tile. Let me again have a look at my shape. It says the square shape is in one corner of the tile. So I cannot use this tile. Why? Because the square shape is in center of this tile. So this is the part where the child's thinking gets boosted and says, why, if this is a square, this is orange color, why is it that I'm not able to form the required shape with it? So yes, I have got this tile which has a square in one corner of the tile. Now, if I take my red circle and I place both my tiles, see, I have the square tile first and the circle tile, and I show you the challenge that I have. Now, my answer matches with this challenge, so I have completed this challenge successfully. Let us have a few more examples. That was level 1. If you go to see, you have different shapes in level 1 itself. It says easy and level 1, right? This has a star shape, not full star, and it has a semicircle. Not exactly a semicircle, but a little more than semicircle. So if I want to make this shape, let us take where we have to use more than two tiles. We will take one example where we have to take more than one tile. So I think that will be, yes, here it comes. See, this is again easy. It says level 21, and there I can see green, red and yellow. So first I will find, I need a red color big square which will be in center of the tile. Let me have a look at that first. A red square. Yes, I have found my tile. See, from the tiles I have found the red one. I'll keep that separate. Then I need a green tile which will be on half of the tile, right? Green color which will be in half of the tile. Yes, is this which matches my challenge piece? Yes. And now I will need a third tile which will have a yellow triangle in corner of the tile. So I have to look for a yellow triangle which will be in corner of the tile. Let me have a look. Yes, now this is, I think this is the challenge wherein I have to see how I can use my yes. In all my tiles, I searched for it, but I did not get a triangle, right? But what I have got is a square. And if I hide my square half like this, that does look like a triangle, right? So again, this part involves thinking that if I don't have a yellow triangle, how is it that with the shapes and color given, I can make what shape is asked in the challenge. Now I have my all three tiles ready to complete this challenge. Now, the other part comes is how we are supposed to arrange, or what will be the sequence of the tiles that we have to put them in the tray here. So if, because I have this square and I don't want half of the square to be seen, so I will put this tile in the first position. Then I have this green, which because the red square is fully seen, so that I'm going to use in my top tile, right? So I'll again do this green one here, and the last one should be my red one. Oh yes, I have successfully done that. Can you see this? See, I have successfully done what is asked, but because of the mirror image, right? And we can, let me try if I can. No, the other side is not possible. No, this is the thing. So this is where I used 3 of my tiles to make this challenge. Here, one extra thing which we did was, we were not given half yellow triangle. We were not given this half yellow triangle. But we did that from a square by hiding half of the square, and that made into a triangle. So similarly, then after easy ones, you have medium, right? You have so many of them, medium. You have more than 100 challenges which you can solve after medium. And they are also, see, in the initial ones where it was set easy, this color coding is pink. When we go to medium, this color coding is blue. After that, it comes hard. In the hard ones, we have the color coding orange. Now, shall we try one hard? Here, I think four colors are seen. So, definitely, we will have to use four colored tiles. Now, what are the colors that are given? Green, purple, yellow, and blue. Let me have a look at all my tiles. Yellow, we had one, so I'll keep that separate. Then if I don't have green, again we can think of using this as a square when we hide half of it. And again then I have some blue and one purple. Yes. So I have all my tiles ready with me. Right? All my tiles, the colors that I want are ready with me. But you can see in the challenge they have given you have to make them squares. All the colors are square. But I have only one square. I have this purple color, this is green color, and this is my blue color. How will I arrange them so that I get square of each color? So firstly, I'll see which all colors I need to hide. I will use them first. I need to hide purple. I need to hide my green. I also need to hide my blue, and only yellow I can put it in the top one. So I'll start with my purple first, then my green. No, my green will come. And then my blue. Where is my blue tile go here? This is my blue tile here. And on top of that, I am going to use my yellow. I'm going to use my yellow. So purple will go first, then green, then blue. See, this is a little challenging for me. So green, yellow will come on this corner. Blue is supposed to be here. And okay, there is one mistake which I'm making because this purple part is seen here, so I need to avoid that. Let me have a look. Do I have any other purple colors? No, that is the tile I need to use in my purple color. It is really challenging. Yes, it is. It is really challenging. And so first I am putting my purple, that I'm doing it correctly. Then I'm doing my green one and my blue one and my yellow one. Yes, I have completed the challenge. Would you like to have a look at it? See, this is the challenge, and now my challenge page. This is the challenge page. See, yes. So it took a little time for me to figure out which tile I need to put first because I'm using four of my tiles. See, right? So first I have used the purple one, then I have used the green one, then I have used my blue one, and then I have used my yellow one to complete this challenge. Okay, so as you go ahead, you will have hard, and after hard, you do have this green color coding which says super hard. Okay, so that is, I think, the last level. Yes, that's the last level. And after that, one very interesting part here, it says your answer keys. The answer keys are given here. And it says if this was easy one, nicely numbered answer keys they have given, which says one. So in one, which tile you will use, they have given, and this is the design that you will make. Now, how this toy is going to help the child by doing or playing these type of games, what benefits will the child get? So this is called a spatial intelligence, or it is called a visual intelligence, which has been defined as the ability to generate, retain, retrieve, and transform well structured visual images. So they are generating the image, they are, first they are seeing, they are then processing in their mind, again they are retrieving that if I want to make this shape using these colors, how am I going to form it? So then they are making in a well structured form. So it's what we do when we visualize shapes in our minds and eye. It is the mental feat that architects and engineers perform when they design buildings. Uh, This is what Michelangelo used when he visualized a future sculpture trapped inside a lump of stone. So, any sculpturist who wants to make something out of a lump of stone, first that image is being made in the design, the shape, everything is first formed in their mind. So, this is the kind of intelligence which they are using it. Now, you might have a question how this is going to be helpful to a preschooler. So, for a preschoolers who are better at visualizing and giving relation between shapes and colors and design, they are very good at their relationships. They have stronger arithmetic abilities. This is what is scientifically proved that kids who are good or have skills in solving these type of puzzles, they are very good at arithmetic. The middle school if we talk, the students of middle school who are good at mental rotation are more likely to achieve in science classes. So we have seen it helps in designing, it helps in science class, it helps in arithmetic and mental ability also. So this is related to colors and shape, and it is a there is a special kind of intelligence which they have named after this, and that is spatial intelligence, and the capacity that permits a chemist to contemplate the three-dimensional structures of a molecule, or a surgeon to navigate to the human body. They also use this skill. This is this intelligence they use to solve such uh, challenges in their life. So this is, we might just see this as a toy which has colors, shapes, and design, but we know that on a later stage in our life, how this skill is going to be very useful. So once again, this was a toy from Playmate, and the name of this challenging game was Color Track, and it is an IQ building fun game. Let me just once quickly revive how we use it. So in this, different tiles are given which we need to stack and recreate each composition layer by layer. Color track seems deceptively simple, but check out how quickly you find a color challenge on your hand. Like we just saw that even I took a little time to complete the challenge, though it was looking simple. This is a game good for developing logical thinking, strategy planning, and IQ building. Now, how strategy planning? We already got those 4 tiles with which we were supposed to complete the challenge. But we have to make a strategy which tile we are going to put first in our tray, which tile we are going to put at the end in our tray.